Look at you standing by yourself. Look at you. Yay. Can you do it again? Do it again. Yay! Look at Orla. Yay! Clap hands. Clap hands. Yay! Oh! It's okay. Come on, get up. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. And here's Emily. Can you say hello, Emily? Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Look at you. I see you over there. Yeah. Are you going to take off your clothes? What are you doing? Huh? Can you say hi? Hi. One more time. Quick. Do it again. Again.